copy there, Kevin.
Right, it's a I think we're gonna have a go on the 305 tonight. Let's see who's about. I'm not sure if I would have turned the volume up yet and you might have heard. I think Fred's on, and we see who else is on.
Yeah, I'll copy there, Kev. Yeah, but the old 148 never lets you down. You know, it's good that you've, is that one you bought used, Kevin, or did you have that back in the day, Rog?
Sounds like an iGain 5 or Colt Excalibur bleep that this Kevin guy's using.
Yeah, okay, Kev. Yeah, break, go ahead. Good afternoon, Fred. Charlie Tango 2444 giving you a shout for this afternoon. Good afternoon, Charlie Tango 2444. There, Jim. Hope your back's a little bit better. Well, you've got myself at the moment. And then you've got Kevin, that's Charlie Tango 2427, and he's down in Surrey. So perhaps give him a shout there, Jim, and see if you can get down there, Rog. Yeah, okay there, Fred. Okay there, Charlie Tango 2427 up there at Box Hill. Come on, Kevin, let's have you. You got Charlie Tango 2444, Personal Jim in Barnet giving you a shout. Yeah, all copy, Charlie Tango 2444. Yeah, and the go through, take it on through to Box Hill and Surrey, and yeah, all copied, Kevin. Thank you very much for that report. You're 55 this way, 55, superb. Best I've heard you for quite some time. I can't normally make contact with you. You're usually quite back in the box in my noise level, but this afternoon, conditions must be hey-ho. There you go. Launch off point, so it's the reason why I can hear you this afternoon. But it's nice to hear you out there, Kevin, and a pleasure to speak to you, mate. Let's look forward to many more copies from down there where you are in your Dorking. So no worries there, Kev. I'll put the microphone back to Fred, because I know you Fred's probably want to give a shout to some other day. I might be on the 305, but take care, Kev, for the time being, me old mate. Yeah, cheers there, fellas. Yeah, I think I'll give a general shout out. Yeah, okay, this is 26 Charlie Tango 1664, St Albans home base. Give it a shout out on the 305 there. If there are any other brake stations out there that would like to join us, QRZ, please go ahead.
318 mobile.
Okay, Roger.
It's Eric on his dodgy mic.
Came back at once. Eric, yeah, Charlie Bravo 25, acknowledged, please stand by, and the other mobile station, QRZ.
Yeah, Fred, it's me, mate, 318 mobile, how you doing?
Good afternoon, Steve. Good afternoon, mate. Yeah, not too bad, not too bad. Well, we've got a few on there, Steve, that we can pass you around in a minute. I'm just going to acknowledge Eric now, don't leave Eric out. So, yeah, Eric, Charlie Bravo 25, 1664, copy. Good afternoon, Eric. A little bit struggling struggling with the signal today, Eric. I think your audio's just about punching through, but I do have a copy on you in St Albans, Roger. 061. Okay, it's all getting a bit hectic now, but I'm going to bring Dave in.
That's done it.
Yeah, 061, go ahead. Yeah, good afternoon, Fred. Nice to hear you, mate. And good afternoon, everybody else who's out there. I can hear everybody. I can even hear Kevin down in Dorking there. But I just can't make out what he's saying there. But if you can hear me, good afternoon there, Kevin. And yeah, sorry, back to you, Fred. Yeah, cheers, Dave. Nice to have you on. Okay, there was another break. I'll just try and bring that one in. It was a little bit in the back of the box, and then when we can pass everybody around. Yeah, the station that called break just after Dave there. Would you like to cue us there? Go ahead. Good afternoon, Mr. Fred. You know who this is? That might be Paul there. I'll just give it to you, Dave. Dave, are you getting a copy on that station, Rog? Yeah, I am getting a copy on that station. Yeah, good afternoon, Paul. Good afternoon, Dave. Yeah, Fred, it's 635. Yeah, 635. Yeah, 635. Paul there, Fred. Are you getting him? I am just about getting him. He's way in the back of my box, though, Dave. As I'm going to sort of struggle a little bit around. Okay, Dave. Paul, yeah, you're acknowledged. And I just want to bring Steve in now. So, Steve, give Kevin a shout in Box Hill, Surrey. A bit of a shout for you there, but that's Kevin 2427 in Surrey, Steve. Give him a go.
Yeah, come on, Kevin, Mr. 2427, I think it was. 318 mobile for you. Yeah, unfortunately, I never had my hand near the clarifier, but yeah, I've got you, Kevin. But you're a little bit off frequency to me. It's just because I've had to re-clarify someone else. But good to hear you, mate, all the same. Now I'm in my noisy bit.
Yeah, cheers, Kevin. Kevin, your audio's gone a little bit OTT, Kev. To me, you're slightly over-modulated. You were crystal clear a little earlier, Kevin, but you're slightly OTT at the moment, Roger.
Sorry about any shaking that's going on with this camera, but there's no stabilisation on it.
No, you were making the trip now. A little bit of a struggle. 3 before. We didn't have a Charlie Tango used to do it. We had a Tango 3.
And just for the record, this camera here is a GoPro Hero 4 Silver.
1664 returning to 2444. Okay, Fred, no problem. Thank you very much. Well, I think I'll try that Charlie Tango 318. I've looked up this lead for some time, so Charlie Tango 2444 giving 318 a call this afternoon. Hope everything's gone according to plan this afternoon, Steve. Copy, copy.
Yeah, copy, Jim. Yeah, it has gone sort of according to plan, mate. Ain't been too bad, thanks. I gather you've had a bit of a bad back, and I hope that's now better, mate, Roger.
Yeah, Roger. Yeah, pretty much back to normal now. I've got a 2x4 plank of wood stuck around and strapped to me back there, so I'm upright permanently all the time now there, Steve. No, I joke about it, but quite frankly, it was pretty horrendous for the last couple of months. But hopefully, fingers crossed, I'm back pretty much back to where I was there, Steve. But thanks for asking anyway, mate. It's been a while since I spoke to you, Steve. It must be a few weeks. It's just a refreshing change to speak to a voice you haven't heard of. But I gather you're making your way back now to your home 20. So, as I say, I won't hold it with you, but nice to have the chat nevertheless. And we'll no doubt have many more, mate. Take care, Steve.
Yeah, no worries, Jim. Nice having a chat with you, mate. I'm going to take a standby for a few minutes because I'm just sort of getting onto the motorway, Jim. But yeah, nice having a quick chat with you. Cheers, Fred. So back to you, Fred.
Yeah, cheers, Mr. 318, mate. Well, okay, I'm going to swing it up to the news boys now, but I don't want to leave them out. So, yeah, Eric, I'm struggling with Paul, Eric, but perhaps if you just have a...
I think that's about it, really. It's just an experiment more than anything with this camera, which I did start telling you about. It's the GoPro Hero 4 Silver. It arrived yesterday. I think I've got it on the medium view, I think. So you're probably not even seeing me, I don't know. Oh, it has got a screen on the back. And the camera poking out the front is a Sony Handycam. It's just the basic one. It's one I've used for probably hundreds of, well, definitely hundreds of hours of video. And I always have the Sony steady shot on, so that's why the video on the front is so smooth. But there you go. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit like if you like the video. It might be a bit choppy because, like I say, I'm going to try and edit in, chopping and changing between one camera and the other. You know, hit like if you haven't subscribed already. Hit subscribe because I've got a lot of stuff that you guys might be interested in coming up. So for now, Charlie Tango 318 in the mobile, gone.